Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can download files from Dropbox really quickly, so let's get started. Now for demonstration purposes I'm going to use files uploaded to my own Dropbox account. I'm going to show you how it's done really quickly, so just for demonstration purposes let me upload a bunch of files by clicking on upload here and by locating these files on my computer. There you go, now these files have been uploaded. Now to make these files accessible to people from outside Dropbox, simply click on that icon here to the right, on that paperclip icon. The following Dropbox will generate a shareable link for your files. What you want to do after that, guys, is simply copy that shareable link by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. After that, log out of your account here on Dropbox, open a new tab in your web browser and simply paste your shareable link here into the URL address at the top. Press enter and there you go. As you can see, now you have been given access to that uploaded file of mine. So now you can, for example, download it on your computer by clicking on download here, wait for the download to be finished, and that's basically it. Super simple, as you can see. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.